This charity vintage market apparently has become a fixture in Milano because this is the 73rd edition. 73rd, and no one told me. Come on. I need to know these things. And you need to know these things. This is important information. We need to go to these. So let's investigate. For those of you who don't read Italian, this is an amazing building that serves 5 different functions: an elderly residence, a residence for the disabled, a rehabilitation facility, a therapeutic swimming pool, and lastly, it's also an elementary school. So all of these wonderful functions are in this facility, and they're all benefited by this annual sale. There is still time to catch this sale. It's on until December 3rd, only in the afternoons. So if you're in Milan, go to the sale. You will not regret it. And I have no idea if they put out more things each day or every few days. I have no idea. Love that. That blue tea set. Are you joking? So pretty. 20 pieces for 100 euros, including the teapot. That was amazing. I definitely wasn't expecting to find Hummels, but you never know. Here they are. This sale is incredible. Linens. If you need linens, if you cut up vintage linens to make quilts or something, go to this sale. It's really cheap, and look how many there are. Look how many linens there are. If you can't find it here, if you can't find a color or a size or something that you need, you're not looking hard enough, because it's definitely here. There were so many linens that I could have chosen several had I had more time. Crocheted blankets for 5 euros. Are you kidding me? Dishes. If you need a set, if you're looking for a set of dishware, definitely come to the sale. It's incredible. Glassware. Look how much glassware there is. There's so much of everything. There were incredible furniture pieces to be had, mostly of the wood variety. Wardrobes, dressers, a few dining room tables and chairs, a few sofas. The quality was incredible. And it was amazing. It was amazing that each wardrobe was full of stuff. If it wasn't full of china, it was full of Christmas stuff or shoes and designer handbags. Incredible. Like, no wardrobe was empty, and each wardrobe was incredible. Check out this fluted wardrobe with the unusual shaped glass on the front and on the sides. It's stuffed full of handbags, but I've never seen a wardrobe like this with this fluted wood detailing. I was very sad to hear that it was already sold. Come on, it's the second day. Somebody must have snatched it up on the first day, I bet. This set of 5 green glasses was only 10 euros. Look at that, come on. They had a really good selection of jeans and clothes and winter coats, which is fantastic. There were lots of shoes and handbags. Definitely check it out if you are looking for shoes or handbags. There were incredible light fixtures. Unfortunately, none of them were the ones that exactly I need, but they were incredible. Mark your calendars, everyone, for next November. I don't know which day, but if you're in Milan, if you're planning to be in Milan, I plan to be there on the first day, whenever that is. I will definitely be there. Can't wait for next year. There is enough fabric, trimmings, buttons, and yarn here to start a shop. We're not even talking about the linens that could start their own shop. Time to show you what we bought at the sale. So we bought a couple things. We bought 2 linen runners. Let me show you. It's folded. beautiful aqua color with this green stitching. Look how cute that is. 2 of them for only €6. Are you joking? Come on. Nowhere could you get 2 for €6. The other thing we bought was an amazing crochet blanket, the beige and blue, for only €5. And it's just behind me on the sofa. And you will see that we had a little mishap with the washer dryer. A little bit of flooding in the middle of the night, but you know, what are you gonna do? And it shrunk. Yep, it's about half the size. So now it's a lap blanket instead of a full-size blanket. Oh well. You can see that we've Christmased up our side table display a little bit. We've got one of our new runners here, the aqua with the green. I love the green stitching with the greenery for Christmas. On the far side there, you can see greenery and an old vintage tin box. That is one of Francesco's favorite boxes with the lady on it. It's really cute. Just some books from our library and that we had, just some books that we had. Got a really sweet model boat here with some presents on it and another wreath, and the vintage sailboat light here with another wreath. And yes, that's a vintage scarf behind it. And above it, there's another vintage scarf. Yes, we have really high ceilings. So that's how we start to vintage up our little living room here. This is how we decorate for the winter without changing our color palette. We are very coastal, nautical here. We love blue and light, airy colors. So we're not about to go changing all of that just for Christmas and then have to change it again after Christmas. And then what do you do for the rest of the winter? No, we keep our same colors with the beige and the blue, and we just make it cozy for the winter, like with this crochet blanket. You'll also notice the really cute dragons on the pillow. Yes, if you watched our Lake Como Antique Market last video, I'll put a link here if you haven't seen it. This was the runner that I got for just €1. And he just adds so much, or they just add so much to the sofa. But just cozying up all the textures in the light colors. We have this lace pillow from Francesco's grandmother. We have some IKEA velvet, and we have some Sherpa. Just lots of cozy textures that can take us all the way through the winter. And we've spent really very little to do this effect for the winter. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our playlist right here to see lots more like this one. As always, thank you so much for joining me today.